Is unboxing, another unboxing by ProTinkerToys.com, and this is the Thunder by IMAX, and these are Robogear miniatures from Russia, and there's 9 different figures that are available. There are some more that are available, but I don't have them yet. But this is the Thunder, and we're going to unbox it. It's another flying vehicle, comes with a flying stand. I just don't have the flying stand with this one, but you got your cage, you got your guy inside. But this is the miniature right here. Comes with a data sheet because it is a game. Don't forget, it's a game. And here's the base. I'll take this off just to show you. So this is the base. And then you just pop the base on here like this. And then you stick it. Oh, it broke off, so I can't stick it on there. That's too bad. Let's see if I can balance it. Now, okay, so anyways, this is the Thunder. And the other one I did was the Hurricane. So these are the flying vehicles, so you can fly and attack your enemy. And again, they're all snap tight. You don't need glue. Okay. And it's all a kit. It's great for kids to build. You know, these are great fun toys for kids. So Robogear unboxing of the Hurricane.